everybody, it's Brooke, popping on a Friday evening just to let you know that I will be posting the Friday freebie shortly. Run right over to the Facebook group, and if you haven't joined, go ahead and join our group. And almost every Friday I have a freebie. This week I felt like playing with some of Julie's fabulous designs from the Old Design Shop. There's her information. The blog is TheOldDesignShop.com. Tons of free, terrific images there. And her Etsy shop is The Old Design Shop. And again, a ton of fabulous designs to play with. And the prices are great. So many images, and everything is 50% off right now. So if you feel like doing some Christmas fussy cutting, you can start out with the freebies and jump over to Julie's shop and pick up some more fun digitals. So this is the freebie, as I said. There are 4 flashcards and 2 different size journaling cards for you to print out and use in your journal or wherever. And all you have to do is go to ReCreationsByBrooke on Facebook. The link will be down below, as will Julie's links. And ask to join our group. We'd love to have you. And pick up your cool freebies. I was going to post the next installment in the Christmas Folio Journal, but apparently I recorded the whole thing without the microphone on, so now I have to figure out how to do a voiceover. But that should be up tomorrow. And I think that's it for this rainy December evening. It was great to say hi, and I'll see you guys really soon. If you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell down below so that you'll get a notification every time I come on live or post a video. Have a great night, everyone. Bye.